Hi there, Joe Stallion here, Associate at Tailor Academy. I'll be sharing why data is the most important tool for salespeople right now. You've probably heard the term, data is the new oil. Despite oil being pretty expensive right now, it still does hold an element of truth. Having numerous sources of high quality sales and marketing data is key for a sales team looking for that extra edge. Although it might seem far-fetched, real-time data on your prospect's activity allows you to anticipate their needs and wants. Whether it be that the marketing director from a key account has downloaded an ebook on a service that they aren't currently purchasing from you, or simply a prospect clicking on a blog link in an email, the daily activities compound to form a rich profile of data that can be used to inform your next sales and marketing decision. It allows us to understand what works and what doesn't. Having high quality data on the impact of your customer journey is essential to its future development. You need to constantly ask these questions. What is working really well for us right now? Simply so you can do more of it. What is leading to high churn or drop-off along the customer journey so you can fix those leaks? Using data to inform the future of your customer journey is key to building something that brings customers consistently for weeks and months to come. It allows you to forecast and plan. Having access to high quality data allows you to predict the future performance and trends within the market. Being able to do this can impact so many areas from resourcing to messaging along your customer journey. If you want to hear more about this or another element of sales from the Tailor Academy, feel free to reach out to a member of the team.